Want to reach millions of potential customers online? Digital media buying is the key. It's like putting your message on a billboard, but instead of a highway, it's on the internet. And the best part? Anyone can learn it. This isn't just for big companies with huge budgets. With the right knowledge and tools, even beginners can leverage the power of digital media buying to drive traffic, increase sales, and build their brand. In this comprehensive guide, we'll break down the ins and outs of digital media buying, empowering you to navigate this exciting world and unlock incredible opportunities for profit now and beyond. Get ready to become a digital media buying pro. Before you dive headfirst into the world of digital media buying, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with the industry lingo. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it seems. CPM stands for cost per meal, or sometimes cost per thousand. This metric tells you how much it costs to show your ad to 1,000 people. Imagine you're buying ad space on a popular website. A CPM of $5 means you'd pay $5 for every 1,000 visitors who see your ad. CPC stands for cost per click. Here you only pay when someone actually clicks on your ad. Let's say you're running ads on a search engine. With a CPC of $2, you'd pay $2 each time a user clicks on your ad and lands on your website. ROI stands for return on investment. This is the big one. It measures the effectiveness of your advertising campaigns. To calculate ROI, subtract your ad spend from your revenue, divide that number by your ad spend, and multiply by 100. Understanding these key terms will equip you to make informed decisions and maximize your advertising budget. The digital media landscape is vast and constantly evolving, with new platforms emerging all the time. To help you navigate this dynamic environment, let's explore some of the top platforms for digital media buying. Facebook ads. With billions of active users, Facebook offers unparalleled reach for advertisers. Its powerful targeting options allow you to laser focus your ads on specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. Google Ads. Dominating the search engine market, Google Ads is a must-have for businesses looking to capture high-intent traffic. Target users actively searching for products or services like yours. TikTok Ads. This short-form video platform has exploded in popularity, particularly among younger audiences. TikTok ads offer creative formats to engage users and drive brand awareness. YouTube ads. As the world's largest video sharing platform, YouTube provides a massive audience for your video ads. Target viewers based on their watch history, interests, and demographics. Native ad platforms. Native ads seamlessly blend into the content of the websites and apps they appear on. Platforms like Taboola and Outbrain specialize in native advertising, offering a non-intrusive way to reach your target audience. Each platform offers unique advantages and caters to different marketing objectives. By understanding the strengths of each platform, you can choose the right mix to reach your target audience effectively. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech whiz to excel at digital media buying. Plenty of user-friendly tools are available to simplify the process and empower you to manage your campaigns like a pro. Meta Business Suite. This all-in-one platform from Meta, formerly Facebook, lets you manage your Facebook and Instagram ads, track performance, and engage with your audience all in one place. Google Ads. Manage your plan, execute, and monitor your Google Ads campaigns with ease. This intuitive platform provides in-depth insights and tools to optimize your campaigns for maximum ROI. TikTok Ads. Manager. Unleash the power of TikTok advertising with this comprehensive platform. Create engaging video ads, target your desired audience, and track your campaign's performance. Canva. No design experience? No problem. Canva makes it easy to create stunning ad visuals with its drag-and-drop interface and vast library of templates and stock photos. Ad Spy or Big Spy. Want to see what your competitors are up to? These ad intelligence tools allow you to spy on your competition's ad creatives, target audiences, and landing pages. By leveraging these powerful tools, you can streamline your digital media buying efforts and focus on what matters most: driving results. Turning passion into profit business models for digital media buying newbies. You've learned the basics of digital media buying and familiarized yourself with the top platforms and tools. Now let's explore how you can actually make money with this valuable skill set. First up, affiliate marketing. Partner with businesses and promote their products or services through your ads. You earn a commission for every sale or lead you generate. Next, we have an e-commerce store. Drive traffic to your own online store and boost sales. by running targeted ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google. Lastly, client services. Offer your digital media buying expertise to businesses looking to outsource their advertising efforts. Manage their campaigns and help them achieve their marketing goals. These are just a few examples to get your creative juices flowing. With a bit of ingenuity and hard work, you can leverage digital media buying to build a successful online business that aligns with your passions and goals. Mastering the game essential skills for digital media buying success. Digital media buying is an ongoing learning process. To stay ahead of the curve and achieve long-term success, focus on developing these essential skills. Audience targeting. Identify and understand your target audience's demographics, interests, and online behavior to create highly targeted ad campaigns. Budget management. Learn to allocate your advertising budget effectively across different platforms and campaigns to maximize your return on investment. Writing ad copy. Craft compelling and persuasive ad copy that grabs attention, communicates your message clearly, and drives conversions. Reading performance data. Analyze campaign data to understand what's working, what's not, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your campaigns. A/B testing. Continuously test different ad creatives, targeting options, and landing pages to identify the winning combinations that deliver the best results. Embrace a growth mindset and never stop learning. The digital media landscape is constantly evolving, so staying up to date with the latest trends and best practices is crucial for continued success. Your roadmap to success, a step-by-step guide to digital media buying. Ready to embark on your digital media buying journey? Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Define your goals. What do you want to achieve with digital media buying? Increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, generate leads or sales? Step 2. Identify your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your ads? What are their demographics, interests, and online behavior? Step 3. Choose your platforms. Based on your goals and target audience, select the platforms that will be most effective for your campaigns. Step 4. Set your budget. Determine how much you're willing to spend on advertising. Start small and gradually increase your budget as you gain experience and see results. Step 5. Create your campaigns. Use the tools and resources we've discussed to create compelling ad campaigns that resonate with your target audience. Step 6. Track and analyze your results. Regularly monitor your campaign performance metrics and make adjustments as needed to optimize your results. Remember, digital media buying is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt to succeed. The power of data analyzing your way to higher profits. In the world of digital media buying, data is king. By closely monitoring and analyzing your campaign data, you can unlock valuable insights to optimize your campaigns and maximize your return on investment. Don't just set up your campaigns and forget about them. Regularly review key metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per acquisition to understand what's working and what's not. Use A/B testing to experiment with different ad creatives, targeting options, and landing pages. This data-driven approach allows you to identify the winning combinations that deliver the best results. By harnessing the power of data, you can transform your digital media buying efforts from a guessing game into a strategic and highly profitable endeavor. Embracing the future of marketing with digital media buying. Digital media buying is no longer optional. It's an essential skill for businesses and individuals looking to thrive in today's digital-first world. By mastering the art and science of digital media buying, you can reach your target audience, achieve your marketing goals, and unlock incredible opportunities for growth and success. Don't be intimidated by the ever-evolving landscape of digital advertising. Embrace the challenge, commit to continuous learning, and leverage the tools and resources available to navigate this exciting world with confidence. The future of marketing is here, and it's driven by data, technology, and the power of digital media buying. Are you ready to join the revolution? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.